Hi, I'm David Siegel. I'm going to show you how to make a quick, very simple, very accurate sled. In this first video, we're going to attach the runner. I've made a lot of runners. I've made them out of maple, I've cut them out of aluminum, I've made them out of polyethylene. And one thing I've done is made runners that have this flange here. I've custom made them out of maple, and so they fit right into the track. You have to insert them, and then they don't come up. And in my view, these are useless. These are more hassle than they're worth, and you don't want to spend your time inserting runners. So that's out. And you can make these runners. There's a lot of videos on how to do it. But for my money, the best runner material by far is just T-track. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. How to use a couple dollars worth of T-track to get a perfect fitting runner with no hassle in minutes. To get this set up, we're going to start with a piece of plywood that is at 90 degrees, that's pretty square, and 20 to 30 inches is common on the width, and about 15 to 20 inches is common on the depth. Okay, we usually use 3/4 inch material. Now in this case, I'm going to be using a T-track, a piece of aluminum T-track, which I highly recommend. This, as far as I'm concerned, this is the best runner you can get, at least for my table saw. And we're going to put nickels down. And so we're going to use 3 nickels and 2 screws, and that's it. The nickels go into the track, like that. The T-track goes into the track, like that. So it helps to just put your piece of plywood right next to your runner, your T-track, so you know where to put it. And a medium body CA glue is great. Crazy glue is fine, just not thin. Thin is not going to work out very well. And CA glue really bonds to aluminum, so you almost don't need any screws for this. CA glue loves aluminum, and it's very happy to stick to wood. Now for the accelerant. We'll just note visually that it's right here. And I will just spray a line like that. This is really absorbent, so I've got to go fast. And the key here is to put it right up against the fence and hit the back exactly. You want to really align it. It'll be annoying if you don't align it perfectly with the back. There we go. Now we're ready to put in the screws. If you're working with a harder plywood, you can use a self-centering bit and make a pilot hole. I don't need it. The key here is that you can design this so that your 2 holes are pretty close to the ends, or not. It doesn't matter that much. The glue does 90% of the work. You only need 2 screws here. You don't need more. So I happen to know that this is going to be not too long. It's great, and this is really added insurance. The glue is remarkably good. Do not screw the middle, just 2 countersunk screws at the end. That's it. Now we're done. And that is the end of the runner lesson.